Good morning, you guys. Good morning, good morning. Just showing you how foggy it is this morning. I didn't realize until I stepped outside. It's pretty foggy. Pretty sure it was worse earlier today. I mean, earlier this morning, I should say. Still today. Yeah. This is what I looked out the window. I saw this. Looking at the little nasty little squirrels. Yeah, pretty foggy. In my neck of the woods. How is it in your neck of the woods? Oh, look at this spider web. I'm not sure if I can capture it or not. Let's see if I can find it again. Oh, let me see if I can zoom in. Wow. Where is it? Where did you go? Okay, where's the pine cone? I gotta show this to you guys. Oh, there it is, right there. Can you see it? Look at that spider web. It won't focus. Wow. The things you see in nature. The things you see in nature. Amazing. Let me, yeah, I can see it right here. Another web. Let me just duck down a little bit so it won't come home with me. There's more right there. What are these? Let me go back inside. I ain't trying to deal with all this Spider-Man stuff. So no Black History topic today. Just a little vlog. My sister, she sent me another article. She sent me another article on, gosh, look at those. On Black History. So I'm going to do some research on that. It sounds really interesting. And then I have another one that I want to do. But this one requires a lot of research. I want to make sure I get it all right. Yeah, that's about it for today. Just want to show you on the outside. And how foggy it is, misty. And I'm gonna go inside and get to work. I hope you guys have a fabulous day. Hit that pause button when you're feeling a little stressed, little, you know, things going on in your life that's not what you like. And then hit the pause button and carry on like that squirrel was. All right, talk to you guys later.